Hi everyone! Today we are going to do English speaking practice with a new short story about my mother. First, you are going to listen to the story. Second, repeat after me. Third, you will hear a lot of easy questions about the story. You will improve your speaking skills quickly. Listen and practice.
My mother. My mother's name is Jessica. She is very beautiful and intelligent. She is a housewife. She is very kind and humble. She is a very hard-working woman. She takes care of everyone in the house. She gets up early in the morning. My mother loves cooking and gardening. My mother is my best friend. She teaches me discipline and moral values. My mother is the best mother in the world. Repeat after me. My mother's name is Jessica. My mother's name is Jessica. She is very beautiful and intelligent. She is very beautiful and intelligent. She is a housewife. She is a housewife. She is very kind and humble. She is very kind and humble. She is a very hard-working woman. She is a very hard-working woman. She takes care of everyone in the house. She takes care of everyone in the house. She gets up early in the morning. She gets up early in the morning. She teaches me discipline and moral values. She teaches me discipline and moral values. My mother is the best mother in the world. My mother is the best mother in the world.
Hi everyone! If this video is useful for you, please subscribe and like for more video like this. Thank you for watching me video. Waiting for more. Thank you.